Good afternoon. We are going to be making an Italian-inspired khichari. So we all know what a khichari is. It's a combination of rice and dal, and today we're going to do the version which is inspired by Italy. So I'm going to be pouring in some extra virgin olive oil. It's a big part of the Mediterranean diet and extremely good for your heart. And I'm going to put about maybe half a teaspoon worth of AUMcuisine cultured vegan butter, and I'm going to put that right in the base. And to that I'm going to be adding in some chili flakes, a little bit of fennel seeds, and some onions. I'm also going to be adding in some garlic. That's really good for your heart. I love that to warm up with all of those flavors getting to know each other. And to this we are going to be adding some broccoli, a handful of spinach. We're going to be putting in a mixture of previously cooked rice and churi dal. You can also use mung dal. Just spread it across, and then we're going to be layering it up with some mushrooms. So I have some alba mushrooms here, some white and some mushroom which is brown in color. So it's brown and white alba. To that, a little bit more of olive oil, a little bit of salt to taste, and some hot water. A little bit of black pepper on top is just perfect. To this, some previously cooked alubia blanca. It's a Mediterranean white bean, and you can get them. They're heirloom beans that you can get from Rancho Gordo. We'll link them in the bottom. And then I'm going to be putting some more spinach on top. And some cheese. Now this is vegan cheese, and I would recommend using a really nice vegan cheese of your choice. This melts really well. And to this I'm just going to be putting in the lid. There you go. The cheese is beautiful and melted. It smells so perfect. So what I do at this juncture, it's really important to do this. Make a little bit of an opening right in the center, and you'll notice a little bubbling action happening. Right there, put in some chili flakes and some parsley and a whole bunch of basil. Now, let's take a little bit of the beans, cover it up like so, right in the center. Okay, now we're going to just give it about just a few seconds, okay? Let's cover it one last time. Just for it to infuse. See, it smells so amazing. You might have people who are like, khichari. I don't think so. It doesn't taste really good. But if you can really showcase a tapestry of other flavors from other parts of the world, this is perfect. Okay, so I'm going to turn this off now, and I'm going to give it a quick little toss. Just look at that. And did you see that we cooked in the steam, right? So the color integrity of the spinach and the broccoli is completely on point. Look at that. Beautiful. And the fennel just brings everything together. Delish. Okay, time to do a taste test. I have to tell you, it tastes like a risotto from Tuscany. So good. The magic you can create with the tagine, just because the flavors are entrapped so lovely. It's moist because of the water that I added. Just look at the mushrooms cooked to perfection, and it's cooked just in steam, right? So there you have it, a combination of the alba mushrooms with the alubia beans, the flavors of Italy, and the goodness of a khichari, all in one. Absolutely delicious. From our home cuisine to your homes. I hope all of you try it and keep in touch and like this video, follow us, and also make sure that we hear from you with photographs on Instagram. Until we meet again in another episode of Home Cuisine, this is Vaidya Priyanka.